In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at skip counting. Now, when you skip, you're jumping over something. So let's say I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. If I skip 5, I don't say it, and it goes 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. So I'm skipping over numbers. But with skip counting, we don't just randomly skip numbers. We usually follow a pattern. So the first thing that we have to do is discover the pattern. So if I've been given numbers, and let's say it's 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Obviously, I'm skipping over numbers. I don't have 2 and 3, 5 and 6, 8 and 9 in there. So I'm skipping over them. I'm skip counting. But what I'm trying to figure out is what pattern am I doing? And we're trying to find a pattern. We're looking. How do I get from one number to the next? One number to the next. One number to the next. All the way down my pattern. So I'm going to look at is 1, is my number getting bigger? If it is, it's plus. Then I'm trying to figure out what number, if I added to 1, would get me to 4. Well, if I think that would be 3. What number from 4 to 7? 3. 7 to 10? 3. So I'm skip counting by 3s. Every time my number is getting bigger by 3. Now, a number does not have to start at 1. I could start at 19, 22, 25, 28, and skip count by 3s from 19. So we can skip count from anywhere. Now, we can also skip count with any number. We could skip count with 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20. We can skip count with just about any number, but we have to find that number first. So if our numbers were 20, 25, 30, 35, we want to figure out what's the difference. Well, they're increasing, and they're increasing by 5. So if we were to continue this pattern for the next 3, I have to think, okay, I've got 35. If I add 5 to 35, I'm getting 40. If I add 5 to 40, 45. If I add 5 to 45, 50. So when you're doing this, you're trying to find that pattern. We can also skip count backwards. We can go backwards in our counting. So we could go 21, 18, 15, 12, 9. And again, we're just trying to look at how are we changing from one number to the next. Well, my number's getting smaller, so we're minus. Again, it's minus 3. Because from 21 to 8, it took me 3. 18 to 15, 3. 15 to 12, 3. 12 to 9, 3. Well, if I was going to finish this off, 9 minus 3 would give me 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3 would be 0. So that is skip counting. Finding a pattern, continuing that pattern, and not changing that pattern. We're going to do some work with skip counting today. So I'd like you to get your student math journals out, and we'll do some work there.